Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You're starting inside Colab. Sign in and open any notebook. Once the notebook loads, click the three-line menu at the top left. This brings up settings immediately. In Settings, find the Interface or General section. That's where language preferences live. You do this because Colab inherits UI choices differently than Drive. Changing here updates menus, help, and dialog text. Make sure you're on the correct Google account before changing language, so your preference applies to the right workspace. Now select your preferred UI language from the drop-down. Colab shows many options, so type to search to speed selection. Once chosen, change runtime locale if you need consistent date, number, or decimal behavior in executed code. This affects pandas, numpy, and display formatting. Click Save or Apply. Colab will prompt to reload the page. Accept the reload so the UI strings and kernel locale take effect. You're doing both steps because UI and runtime locale are separate settings that finish by reloading the notebook and verifying that menus, tooltips, and output formats match your selected language and locale. Run a quick cell that prints dates or numbers to confirm runtime formatting. If things don't match, make sure your browser's preferred language and your Google account language aren't overriding Colab. Change those only if needed. If settings still fail, clear browser cache or sign out and sign back in. This forces Colab to fetch updated locale files and usually resolves lingering inconsistencies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.